Hello, my name is Christian Cassell, lead meteorologist at National Weather Service Great Falls, with your Thursday weekly weather briefing for the week of January 20th through the 26th of 2022. Let's get started. High winds, blowing and drifting snow, mountain snow, and a possible wintry mix of precipitation for some lower elevations will be possible today. We'll get into more of the specifics with each of these concerns on the following slides. By late this evening into Friday morning, any precipitation will transition to all snow, but will be fairly brief in duration. Another minor snow event is possible Sunday night into Monday night, mainly for the central Montana mountains and adjacent north-facing slopes and foothills. Temperatures overall will be mild for late January, with no significant cold intrusions expected for the next week. Here is a list of potential weather and its impacts through the next week. Please pause the presentation if you need extra time to review this slide. A high wind warning is currently in effect for the Rocky Mountain front and extending out to Interstate 15 north of Great Falls until 10 p.m. this evening. Sustained winds up to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour are expected until a cold frontal passage later this evening. The main weather impact for today will be from strong gusty winds causing potential blowing and drifting snow issues across parts of the region, highlighted in yellow, orange, and red on the map this morning into this afternoon. A key limiting factor will be that temperatures will quickly warm above freezing this morning and afternoon, which we believe will have a significant mitigating effect. Otherwise, snow, mainly in the mountains, and a potential mix of snow, rain, freezing rain, and sleet could cause limited impacts across much of the rest of the region. A winter weather advisory is in effect for the Little Belt Mountains, and more specifically, the U.S. Highway 89 corridor through this region. Snow accumulations may reach as high as 8 inches only near Kings Hill Pass. Snow accumulations greater than 2 inches can also be expected across much of the mountains of the National Weather Service Great Falls forecast area. Here is a model simulation of what today's precipitation event may look like from one of our more aggressive models. A brief mix of snow, rain, and possibly even freezing rain or sleet will be possible over lower elevations, while the mountains will see accumulating snow up to several inches. Note that a second round of snow will move southeast across the region late tonight through Friday morning, associated with the trailing cold front. Here are 7-day temperature forecasts for select locations in the National Weather Service Great Falls forecast area. Temperatures average near normal to slightly above normal for the last third of January. The only other precipitation event for the next week after Friday morning will be with a cold front backing into the region from the east and northeast Sunday night and lingering through Monday night. The system will stall and gradually dissipate over the area while bringing a period of light accumulating snow primarily to the central Montana mountains and adjacent north and northeast slopes. The following week, covering the end of January into the first few days of February, favor temperatures averaging near to below normal and precipitation averaging near to above normal. In particular, long-range model ensembles suggest a greater than 50% likelihood of transitioning from above normal temperatures to below normal temperatures beginning around January 30th or 31st and continuing into early February, with snow chances increasing during that transition period. Here is a summary of the key points from this weather briefing. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us via email or by phone listed at the bottom of this slide. You can also find us on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you, and have a great week.